If you have a Magic Mouse or you're new to the Mac OS, you might be wondering how to right-click. There's a couple ways you can set this up. First, you need to get to your mouse preferences or your trackpad preferences. I like to press Command Spacebar on my keyboard to pull up the Spotlight search. From there, I can search for something like System Preferences or System Settings, or I could even just type in mouse to go to the system settings of my mouse. So I'm going to click on this one right here. Just go directly to my mouse system settings. So I have all the system settings here on the left-hand side, and if you scroll down, you'll find mouse. Inside of mouse, they call right-click secondary click here on a Mac. The secondary click for the mouse, I want to set up to be the right side. That's how you can do a right-click. And now once I have that set up, you can see now I can right-click things and get more options like I'm used to if you're coming from Windows. Now, if you're on a trackpad, we can go down here to trackpad, and we can also adjust the secondary click options for your trackpad. So if we click on this drop-down menu, it could be off for you right now, or you can click in the bottom right corner, left corner, or click or tap with 2 fingers. That's usually the one that I use when I utilize the trackpad. Actually, I'm on a laptop right now. I kind of forgot because I'm on my desktop monitor, but this is the one that I use. A single tap is just going to be a click, and then 2 fingers tap would be a secondary click or a right click, and that's going to pull open any type of contextual menu. So if you're looking for a right click, even if you have a Magic Mouse that looks like it's a single button, it's actually kind of like a trackpad and a mouse in one, where it knows which side you're clicking on. So it can tell if you're clicking on the right side or the left side to set up that secondary click. That's how you can right click here on a Mac.